All right, today we're doing a brake booster in this bad boy. This is my new used one here that I had up in the parts room. Basically, what's happening is when you hit the brakes, you can hear the vacuum. It goes psst, and the brake pedal is rock hard and barely stops. So I think the booster's bad. Brake booster is this guy right here. To do it's pretty straightforward. You will have... Where is it? Oh, come on, bastard. There we go. Okay. This here plugs into here. This is your vacuum line from the intake. Yank that guy out of there. It's really, really, really tight. Yank it out. You will have two 9/16 nuts that go over the studs right here and right here, okay? So you can see the stud right there. You take those off, and this thing here will just, the masters comes off nice and loose, okay? So do that. The vacuum line comes off. Those two nuts, both 9/16, okay? I used this. I used a 3/8 impact, 6-inch extension with just a depot 9/16. And then underneath this, you have, okay, you have this, that, and this, which are all 9/16 as well. I used 3/8 impact, a 6-inch extension, a swivel socket, or a swivel with a 9/16 deep impact socket. Get them all out. That's in there. Okay, now you got to pull out that red cotter pin right there. Kind of hard to do this with the camera in here, but we're going to try. So, you want to try and yank this guy out. This is hard to do with one hand. Let me try and switch hands here once. All right. It's kind of tight up underneath this thing, but you'll get her. Okay. So, there we go. Yank her out like that. Okay. Now, you have a washer. This guy. Let's see if I can zoom in on that bad boy. There we go. Okay. You have this washer there that I'm trying to get off, but it's a little hard to do with one hand, but we're gonna get her here. There we go. Okay. You have this washer, and then this bad boy here is your brake switch, which should just come right off. There's a connector that goes on this. I should be able to stay on here. I don't know if I can. Pretty sure this used to just be able to pry off. It is also like 10 degrees out right now, so it is freezing cold up in here. There we go. So pry this guy just off to the side. Take your pliers or something and just pry it like that. And then this guy here can just slide right off. So you want the open side facing towards the brake pedal. So there's going to be a closed side there, open side. You want the open side facing open up to the brake pedal. Okay, so now you got all that done. Oh, let me get the old, sorry, hold on one sec. All right, so I got that done. Had to get my gloves on because it's freezing cold out here. So, okay, so now pull off your master cylinder. You do not need to remove the lines. They will flex enough. Just pull it off enough to move it. Grab your brake booster here and yank her on out. Again, much easier with two hands. As you can see, I'm getting her out the best that I can here with what I got to work with. Okay, hauling, so I gotta use 2 hands for this. Okay, so we got her out, and this is the old one. Don't lose this bushing, which mine is kind of crappy. I'll remember to replace this anyway. But this bushing here sits in your booster like that. That takes up a little bit of play in the pedal. So this is our old booster. Now, if you notice, to the, I guess you'd say, astute viewer, these are different size boosters. Okay? So this new one over here that I had for years is off of a 90 f250. That is off of an 85. I believe as long as these push rods are the same length when they set in there, it'll be fine. So I'm going to try and put it in there, and in theory, this should work fine. And if not, you'll be the first to know about it. But basically, that's all you got to do. And then installation is just reverse of that. Take the booster, put it in there. This part here that hangs down, if yours hangs down like that, I believe that goes towards the bottom. This one does not have that, so hopefully this will work. And if not, well, then it won't. But all right, that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like and a subscribe. I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching.